Hi guys, welcome to my channel Wagwan Tours. We're here, we're actually in Torremolinos still, but we're walking towards Benalmádena. Yeah, let's go and see Wagwan, you guys know the vibe. So, very choppy day. If it's time I've got to go tomorrow, no. I was about to say if it wasn't too bad, later in the morning I might come down there, but I've got to leave. I'm waking up at 4. I've got a flight at 7 a.m, so 2 hours getting to the airport. It's fine, it's just internal flight. I'm not going back to England for another 2 weeks. I've still got 2 weeks out. The longest stint is Benidorm, which is coming up, and then we've got even longer stint in Portugal. A couple of nights in Faro. Bit of downtime in Faro because videos don't do too well in Faro, so I'm just gonna chill out, upload load of videos, clear off my phone, make sure I've got loads of stuff uploaded, and then we're going to be bang on the videos from there on. I said in the last video actually, Benalmádena, I have no idea where their little bars and all that is like if you want to go out in the evening. The marina, alright. But everyone's got a marina a bit like that, so it's not like something I think of, oh yeah, go down to the marina to go out. I don't really think like that. I'm always I'm thinking like, you know, like how you got yeah, there's a marina in Albufeira. Nobody goes to it unless you know that there's a marina. It's got bars, it's got restaurants, it's got a snooker hall, everything. I don't think there's go-karts, but there's something for the kids to do and everything. But like I said, your mind when you go away on holiday is not, oh, head to the marina. But yeah, when Sabrina's sister, hello Samantha and Steve, when they came down here, I advised them to go to Benalmádena, to the marina, have a little look around, and yeah, they really enjoyed their little time out. There's an all-you-can-eat. Check that burger out. But yeah, there's an all-you-can-eat buffet there, Chinese. Me and Sabrina had it the very first time we came here, and sardines, $5.90. Not bad at all, is it? Yeah. La Farraga, right? That's the restaurant though. There you go. Let's check the price out quickly. What they got in here. So, a pizza's quite expensive. The best pizza I ever had when I was a lot younger, when we first came here, was a pizza in Telly Pizza. If you never had Telly Pizza, there's one in Tenerife, in Arona, but not Arona Adecchi, sorry, but not Adecchi as we know it. It's Adecchi that's up. Yeah, they can deliver to you. I'm telling you, you can get this pizza. It has, I think, however many slices there is. There's a burger patty on each one. There's tomato on each one. You wrap that up and eat that. That's probably the best thing I ever tried. A pizza burger. Really nice. Oh, here you go. You've got some rentals here. So you've got a bike, 1 hour bike, 8 quid. Is that electric or is it just normal? No, it's just normal. So you see the bike prices. And then you've got e-bikes, mountain bikes, you've got scooters. I should take a scooter quickly, shouldn't I? 30-minute little electric children quad. And you get a 2 hour on a surfboard. It's not too bad, is it? Not bad at all, prices. So that's right here on the waterfront. See next to Coco Beach. So yeah, not bad at all. I mean, I should probably take one, shouldn't I? Because I could shoot all the way down to the other side and walk back along this waterfront. I'm not going to walk down. I've got a bloody scooter or something. So, and this is called walking tours, not scooter tours. So you got the old barbecue down on the beach. I mean, if you like to have your sardines when you come here, do you enjoy having your sardines? La barracuda. I really want to take a boat and go and catch a barracuda. Barracuda, am I saying that right? Yeah, I really want to go out and catch one of them. They look sick, don't they? If you've ever seen one, they're like green and gold. They look awesome. I caught in England, I caught a smooth hound. If you've ever seen what a smooth hound is, it's a type of shark. And on the Essex coast, every single year, there's a part of the coast where all these smooth hounds, they just brush up to the shore. So, and they're just there. You could just run in there and grab loads of them. They got no bone. It's just one cartilage all the way down. Pure meat, pure meat. Yeah, it's really nice. We battered it up. We had like check that water out, bloody hell. But yeah, we had that battered. It was lovely. Check this hotel. Let me see if I can extend you up so you can have a real look over there. Whoa, check this place out. This place is getting all done up, it looks like. Getting ready for the year forward. We're ready for the season. But yeah, I want to take a boat one time and go out fishing. I think I'm going to do it in Tenerife. That day I did it in Harwich. I lived in Harwich at the time. That's in Essex, and a couple of the old boys down the pub invited me out fishing. Big up to yourselves if you're still around and you're still doing what you're doing, guys. But yeah, we went out and we caught one codling, because obviously cods are even bigger. And we got a cod, we got a smooth hound, and we got a flatty. And I decided to take the smooth hound because I never tried it before. And it's one of the best fish I've ever tasted. Didn't have a big fishy taste. It was definitely like chunks and chunks of meat. And like I said, it's a baby shark. Not a baby shark, it was a shark. That's what it is. Smooth hound's a type of shark. And it tasted delicious. Old Larry the loner. I'm getting there. I'm on my own, and I think I'm going to get one beer before I go and do the rest of this. So let's get down to it. Old Larry. What a name. Larry the loner. Paella mix for 2 persons, €35. It's not bad, is it? 35. They had like a small one in the shop. What shop was I in? CIA, I think it was called CIA. I don't know if it's Kia here, maybe. But anyway, they had a microwavable. What's it called? Microwavable paella, ready made, and that was costing around about €2.60, €2.70. It wasn't too bad at all. I thought I was going to get it, but then I ended up getting like egg fried rice, and I got like a curry. For some reason it was like a pasta curry. I never ever had a pasta curry before in my life. But yeah, these shoes here, have you ever seen these shoes? When you go to Turkey, try these shoes on. It's just the sole. If the sole was better, look at this. This is what I'm wearing now, this one here. But yeah, if you go to I'm not actually wearing that now, it's in my videos though. But if you go to Turkey, them shoes are anything between £10 to £20 maximum. It's £20. And then you've got them football shorts, tops, all of them. If it's kid size, free for £20. It's a really good price, isn't it? Free for £20. And then if you want the adult size, it's 25. So free for 25. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching. We're just reached Benalmádena harbour, so we're going to take a little walk around there. I think I'm going to get a beer around there. So thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one. Look where I am. Look, you can see now the Burger King, everything. I'll catch you on the next one, guys.